Yes, so Creative Alignments has been in business for over 10 years now. And from its inception, it's always been a little bit different to traditional contingency agencies. We are a time-based model in that we bill our clients by the hour, which means that we're actually a very cost-effective solution for our clients. Typically, our fees come in, if you were to compare it to a contingency agency, our fees come in at around 10 to 12% per hire. The benefit of that is also that you can make multiple hires from one search. There's no additional cost. So let's say you're looking for a software engineer. In working with us, you find 2 or 3 that you would like to hire. You can hire as many as you want. There's no additional cost there. So that really makes it very cost effective in those cases. And we work with a lot of scale-up companies, so that comes into play a lot, which really helps companies that are growing to really save their budget for more important things, which obviously recruitment still is, but if they can save some recruitment dollars and spend somewhere else, that's great. So our business model has been the same since we started over 10 years ago, and it's as strong as ever. And I joined Creative Alignments because I had come from the world of contingency recruitment. I had my own business, and I saw that something had to change in the world of recruiting. I came across Creative Alignments and just completely understood what they were getting at, and applied and joined them over 9 years ago now. And it's just been great to work with the people that I work with, the clients that I work with, the types of roles that I work on. It's just the future of recruiting, really. We had been using different ATS solutions over the years, and just some of them were very complicated, and the UIs were not very intuitive. And at the end of the day, the recruiters were just not really using our ATS systems. They were just too cumbersome, too slow, too many steps to get to what you wanted, very hard to search, was the primary problem we had with our last ATS system. So we just knew it was time to find something more modern, more current, and more suited to our particular needs. When a colleague and I we had demoed and looked at many different ATS systems until we came across Recruit CRM. We happened to hear about it from somebody in our network who was using it, and we thought, oh, we've never heard of that one. Let's check that out. And we had been so disappointed over the previous months that we didn't have, many high hopes. And then we got the Recruit CRM demo, and when I got off that call with my colleague, we kind of said to each other, is this too good to be true? We were both so excited at what we saw, and we're also a bit trepidatious. Is it really going to be as good as the demo? And it proved to be that and more. So it really we could just see how customizable it was. That was one thing that really stood out, was that we weren't able to find an ATS system that really fitted our business needs. And we could see the potential in Recruit CRM to do just that, which was so important to us. We also just liked how clean it was, and that we believed that the recruiters would adapt to it very quickly, which they have. So there was just so many good things about it. Really touching again on the customization, and we have used that a lot since we went through the whole implementation phase and even post-implementation. Just being able to add in custom fields that work for our business, being able to create different workflows for different clients as well, so that the recruiters can say, hey, I'd like to have an additional step in the workflow for client X. We can easily do that, assign that workflow to that client for those jobs. And so it just really enables the recruiters to have a customized experience for their clients. And then likewise, the clients get a customized workflow that works with their business, with what they've been doing. So customization has been great. And there's many other things, but that's one thing that really has really changed how we were able to use our ATS system. It's maybe a little bit early for us to do any kind of have any quantifiable results, but certainly from the recruiter participation and use of the ATS system, it's night and day. It's so different. All the recruiters enjoy using it. They have made suggestions for tweaks that they would like to see. So we've added some custom fields. So the adoption by the recruiters and their usage of it has been so much higher. And it really helps the managers within Creative Alignments just to be able to go in and see what's happening with their clients and with the recs that the recruiters are working on. We can quickly get a snapshot of what the pipeline is looking like for different clients. So just having that visibility and that data to hand very easily through going into a job or running some reports, it's just giving us greater visibility into what's happening with all our different clients at any given time. Actually, the help, the help from Recruit CRM has just been amazing. From pre and post implementation, there's always somebody available on their online chat system, on the chatbot. You can talk to a person, or you can quickly get links to their extensive help database. But really, it's just the people at Recruit CRM and how helpful they are. They'll hop on a Zoom call to walk us through certain features if we needed it. They'll quickly answer questions. If it's something that they haven't come across before, because we ask some kind of gnarly questions at times, they'll say, we'll get back to you in a few minutes, and they always do. So just the help system itself has been great. And the recruiters use it as well. It's not just the people within Creative Alignments that are the admins for Recruit CRM, but the recruiters as well. They know that there's always somebody on the other end of Recruit CRM that can answer their questions. Oh, a 10, a very strong 10. And I've already recommended it several times to people that I know.